Well, electives are opportunities for our students to really customize their journeys through an MBA program. So they allow them to get into that topic, that theme, or honing those skills that they really want to work on.
At the start of your MBA, you get given a list of all the core modules that you're going to be doing, but just as you're reaching the end point in your kind of second semester, I guess, they announce the elective modules that are available to you. And you get to see a big, long list with 20 elective modules that are available to you there.
I chose international business strategy. Being an expat from South Africa in the Netherlands, working for a multinational, I just think it makes sense. My second option was leading business projects. I think it's a more broader module that I can use in a lot of different industries and also apply to my day-to-day job.
I have always been really interested in what to do with my money and make it do more. So I chose practical investment for that reason. I have also chosen entrepreneurship, innovation and management because I wanted to understand how to set up my own business.
We've focused quite a bit on developing our portfolio of digital and technology-related electives. We're launching 2 new electives, one on doing business in the Middle East, and indeed as well another one on design thinking, on creativity and co-creation.
It's so international. You get people from Japan and you're getting people from Peru. The demography of the class is from all across the world.
You can decide where to take your electives. Here in Manchester, you can take them at one of our international centers in Shanghai, in Hong Kong, in Singapore, in Dubai. It's completely up to you.
It's a really great opportunity for networking because you are collaborating with people outside of your cohort. There's people from different backgrounds to learn from.
We use our Manchester method throughout our electives, that very hands-on approach, learning from others and with others through very ambiguous, very complex, very dynamic situations.
A great example would be when we did negotiation skills. We would do a case study piece in the morning. We would learn about particular styles and tactics and tactical plans we applied for negotiating, and then you went and did it in the afternoon.
The advice I would give to future students on how to make this choice, just to see what is the goal that you want from doing this MBA.
That you can pick something where you wouldn't normally do that as part of your day job. Like, it's a great way to get exposure into maybe a future career area that you want to move into.
We're one of the largest business schools in the country with expertise on many different areas that allows us not only to support a very large portfolio of electives, but certainly as well to keep very up to date with what it is that our student body and our employers actually want at any point in time.